Started. Pretty cheerful. They do like to introduce themselves by name, so do tell everybody your name. Spicy Wasabi, and Fernando prefers to use his nickname Nando. Yeah, Fernando. Alright, well, the polite one of the bunch would be this young man. He has a question he loves to ask every audience. Very nice, how are you? And I see some lovely smiles up there. Now, Fernando is playful by nature, as most parrots tend to be. His favorite game to play, I think you guys know this one. Absolutely loves to be tickled. Now, just like you and I when tickled, well, he certainly laughs. Alright, gets a few chuckles out of that. Now, he is our master of sound effects. He has a few he'd love to share. We're going to start off with the sound we make when we drink a nice cold glass of water on a hot safari day. We're looking forward to those. Hey, buddy, let's hear that. A few chug-a-lots. Now, he's heard his cough over time, and apparently that was pretty interesting. He picked up on that one. Say, a mumbled little festive greeting. Now, they're also musically talented, so they're going to be doing some singing for you all. Bear with us as they make their way through a couple of tunes today. Let's start with you, buddy. What's wrong with your voice? Alright, we're in tune. Before Wasabi gets singing, I'd love you to raise your hand if it's your birthday today. Anybody celebrating? We have a young man over here. Right here. Oh, the little guy up front. Alright, a few hands, not too many. Let's try everyone in May. There we go. Quite a few hands going up. So what do you think? Okay. He says if you want to hear him sing, he'd like more hands in the air. So I have a good way of doing this. Let's raise our hand if we have a birthday coming up in the next year or so. There you go. So let's sing for them. Okay. I know you guys are going to recognize this song, so no hands. Let's hear it. A bit of our national anthem there. Well, Fernando